Guys, we're going back to Calgary. Guys, if you didn't know, don't feel bad for me. It's okay, but if you guys heard the news, like Canada, the provinces have been like smoked, like fire happened, and so now I am actually dealing with the same thing, and of this fire and smoke. But don't worry about me. My house is safe in Calgary. It's alhamdulillah, like it's still there. It's still good. It's perfect. But like, yeah, it's too much smoke. Oh, there's a person out there. I feel so bad. But like, yeah, he has to go inside. At least we have a lot of gas in our car. Then we could like go home. Because we're leaving Vancouver. We're out of Vancouver. There's like, I don't know, 4 hours left till we're at at Calgary.